And this is James on the third on his good old multi-tool. It's a Gerber. So,
you want to explain what the tools are on it?
oh yeah, that's a blade, a knife blade, and this, I don't know what that is or that is.
It's a file.
That's a file. A flathead screwdriver. A bottle opener. I have no idea what that is.
It's a can opener.
A can opener, bottle opener, Phillips head, and a saw.
What's down on the other side?
And some pliers. So
what are you doing?
What
is that? Oh, that's a Lunchable?
And the pliers, my dad uses the blade to gut fish sometimes. And then he uses the good old pliers to take out the bones. And
But that's only for camping though, huh?
yeah, that's only for camping. And well, he could use like any supplies on here for like he could use this for cutting sticks up for fire. To use that for fixing.
Not me. That's your tool, not mine.
I could use this
not
for
mine anymore.
Cutting sticks. I could use this for fixing. I could use that for opening cans. I have no idea what that's for, but I could open bottles with this. And
you don't want to make your videos too long. People lose interest, dude.
And that right there is Phillips head that my dad I can use for fixing. And you could like grind sticks on this, and you could like stab or gut stuff with that. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Oh, and